Hello and welcome to NG Digital Mastery, a place where digital marketing finally becomes simple. I am Nilanjan Gupta, a corporate professional with over 2 decades of experience in building brands, scaling digital ecosystems, and helping people make sense of a space which is too crowded and noisy. If you are a startup founder, a solopreneur, or even a working professional who is tired of the constant confusion, jargon, and guru talk on digital marketing, then you are in the right place. Here you will learn digital marketing in a step-by-step process. Simple, practical, and action-oriented. From building magnetic personal brands to writing a copy that connects perfectly, from growing organically with confidence to running paid campaigns that really shows result. I will break it all down for you in a simple manner which even a beginner can understand easily. Plus, you will get latest updates and guidance for you to build a powerful digital presence. So, if you are looking for clarity and confidence in digital marketing, this is your new home. Hit subscribe and click on the bell icon, and your digital marketing mastery starts today.